All right, ladies and gentlemen, check this out. We got a new part from Perrin Performance. It's always nice to come home from work and see car parts on your front doorstep. Hopefully no one takes your car parts in your neighborhood. But anyways, brand new part from Perrin Performance just recently released, and no tape on the box. Cool. Let's open it up and let's see what's in the box. Check this out. So these are brand new window vents recently released from Perrin Performance, and wow, first impression, the quality construction. This is like a solid piece of metal. So we have one on each side. Let's see what else is in the box. We got stickers, we got instructions, the window vents itself, and let's see what else is in here. Oh, dude, check this out. Nice, thick rubber trim right here. I believe this goes over not only just the vent, but also the window itself to keep it nice and secured inside the window track itself. So, and also probably keep it watertight and keep it from rattling, because you don't want this thing rattling while it's in the window. But just take a look at that finish. Nice weight to it. So why do you want window vents? For all you track day guys, if you want to keep yourself track compliant, this keeps your rear windows vented, so you don't have to use your AC. Not only that, if you're not on the track, you have pets in the back seat. This also keeps your back window vents or back windows open, so your pets can stay nice and cool. But this looks like a nice, simple, and easy install. If I'm looking at the instructions, yeah, I mean, looks like you just slide it into the window vents. And also, I assume you're gonna take the window trim. This is probably gonna have to be trimmed a little bit. So looks like that's gonna be more than enough. Yeah, it's a little bit more than enough for the window vents itself. But yeah, so next thing we gotta do is get this installed in the car, and I assume this is gonna be easy, like I said, and we'll show you how it looks on the car. So there are different colors available. There's black, there's silver, there's gold, and there's a neon green, which I think looks absolutely awesome. Depending on what your color scheme is of your build, you can just get the appropriate color. These are on their website live right now. I think these are only about $100 or so. But yeah, link will be in the description below, and let's go get these installed in the car. Let me show you exactly what it looks like. So for this install, I have the window rolled all the way down. You're gonna wanna do that just to get some room to get this into the channel itself. But I'm just gonna take this in a diagonal manner, do the back first, make sure it is in the channel all the way. There we go. Then I'm gonna slip this all the way up. Don't quote me on this, but I think this matches the 6-pot STI brake. So if you have an 18 or 19 STI, these might match it if it matches your color scheme. I highly suggest this one. This really stands out if that's your kind of thing. So we have this window trim right here, and I suggest getting a nice sharp knife, because this is nice thick quality construction window trim. I think it's window trim, but yeah, you can see nice deep channels there. Correct me if I'm wrong, I think one side is thicker than the other. I'm not sure. Check that out. Oh, they should, I think they're the same. All right, so you come up to this point, what you're gonna wanna do, you're gonna wanna guide the actual window vent or window inside the channel of the trim. So that should be really easy to do. So I'm gonna be fully honest with you guys about these window vents. I totally love the way these look. Not only that, but they're also very functional, especially for you track guys. You wanna stay track compliant and keep your inside cabin cool during those hot track days. There you go. This is the answer. And I think the look and finish of these are probably one of the best looking ones on the market right now. But there are a few things that I want to note about these. So one thing to note before we go, for security reasons, they recommend removing the window vents anytime the car is parked in an unsecured location. The window vents provide easy access for anyone that is looking to break into the car. Also, make sure the rubber trim is placed equally between the window and vent to ensure the window vent does not make a direct contact with the window. You don't want the glass and the metal to touch. Take extra time cutting the rubber trim. Each end will need to have a slight angle, as I mentioned earlier, to ensure the rubber piece looks as nice as possible. Also, if you live in an area like I do here in the Pacific Northwest, you're going to want to take this out in inclement weather. So if you have a bunch of snow and a bunch of rain, of course, I know it's common sense, but don't forget to take these out. You don't want water damage on your interior just because of these window vents. But there it is. I'll show you some beauty shots.
Hey,
this with the neon green on the car. I like the neon green the best, although I don't think it will work for me only because my car is blue. It's a little too, I don't know, sea hockey for me. If you're a football fan, you probably know. If I had red, I'd definitely be rocking a gold one. The whole red and gold thing, I think would look absolutely amazing. Which color do you like the best? Please comment down in the description below. But I think for me, I'll probably be using the black the most. So one thing to note, if you haven't already noticed, these are available in 4 colors. You have black, gold, you have neon green, and silver. Whichever one fits your style, they have it for you. Link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and we'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys.